Hey guys, so today we're going to be filming a spicy noodle challenge part 2. I don't know if there's going to be a flashback of the ugliness that went down.
Yes. Yeah, zoom into on the flashback.
We both had this competition. We're both Sri Lankan. We both can handle our spicy food, and we've both done this before and did win. Like, we didn't react that much, so we kind of had chilies with us to add it.
Other one?
We have chilies to add into the spicy noodle challenge.
There's
we cut up 3 chilies.
Oh god.
And we both think we're gonna win this, so we'll see who wins. So the point is who can eat without dying, drinking your milk or my water. Leave a comment down below who you think is gonna win. If I don't,
it's your flashback, please.
Is this the original one? Wow, how the heck did you put all that in your mouth?
If I don't win, I'll be really sad because I have a reputation to keep. Okay, should we do this? Should we add the chilies in first? Ready? 1,
Okay.
2, 3. It's all good. Just remind me not to rub my eyes. This one time, I was cutting chili. Yeah, you have to put it all.
Tell your chili story.
So this one time, like, I forget what I was making. I think I was making eggs or something, and I was adding chili into my egg. And then, like, I was staring, and then my eye itched, so I just, like, rubbed it, and, like, there was chili in my eye, and I was just crying. Very smart. That's why we're friends.
It's actually hard.
Why it's all clumped up. Do you see this? It's just, how am I supposed to fit that?
Insert flashback again.
Stop. It was so embarrassing. And then
it was a dark moment.
Yeah, and then somehow you convinced me to do it again. As if the first time wasn't bad enough.
Dark times. So true.
Okay, are you ready?
No.
It just keeps going and going. I don't understand.
Okay, it's gonna fall out of the plate.
Are you ready? Ready to lose?
It's like I'm trying to stay here, man. Yo, literally, you wanna help me?
Just turn.
Oh shit.
I am a graceful eater. I'm gonna take that back real quick. Cheers.
What do you mean cheers? Floppy cheers? What?
There you go.
There. How is it? Did you get 2 bites already? I even can't get a scoop. Hold up. Me. Okay, wait. I'm not getting any chilies. What the heck?
It's all at the bottom.
This is so anticlimactic. It's like we're just eating our lunch.
I'm just trying to finish this.
Oh wait, is my lip red? Yours is really like orangey red. No, it's more orange. So what lipstick do you have on? You guys could notice from the first challenge and this time she does not talk. She wants to win so badly. She does no commentary. She just sits there.
Are you not getting any chili?
No. Well, I had some, but they're all at the bottom for some reason.
I'm sweating.
I know I'm gonna break something before I leave.
Look how many chilies there are in this one.
Oh no, there's more in there.
I'm done. I win. I win. Can I have water now?
No, you have to wait till I finish.
No, I don't. Do I actually?
Yeah.
You're gonna take too much time drinking this.
You lose.
I finished.
No, keep drinking. We have to insert the flashback of you drinking that in like 1 gulp.
Wow.
So bad.
I'm gonna have some of your milk.
Excuse me?
It's not spicy at all for you?
I feel like we should try the 2 times up. You know, when she starts yelling, you know it's spicy. It's hitting her. Okay, here, wait. I'm trying to get the scoop with all of them in there.
I just finished your milk. I'll go get you some more.
Excuse me, what do I think when I'm done? I'm trying to get all.
Ow. I'm gonna go get you some more milk.
Did you show the thing? You gotta show. Move your butt. Put your butt in my face. As so. YouTuber life. Her phone keeps going off.
I'm actually crying.
Oh, that was fast.
I just bought the entire milk for you.
For me or for you?
For you and me.
Oh, I have like one left. One chili, I think.
What the hell? It didn't even affect you at all.
Wait. I have one left, people. One left.
Damn. That's impressive.
I have no.
Yeah. It wasn't spicy at all. Not even like a little bit. I eat like 6 pieces of chili at once.
Me too.
What the hell?
I know it. All the chili went to the bottom.
Yeah.
So that kind of messed it up. It was fun. Why is that blinking? It's yelling at you.
I have no idea. I think I won because I ate it quicker, but you totally won the spice handling. Because I totally acted like a baby. No, you didn't. You know I can still see you right on the screen.
Shoot.
Alright, well that's all for the spicy noodle challenge. We should go make some brownies now or something. Just to, you know, balance our taste palette.
Pretty much.
So I still won because I finished first, so I still hold that reputation. My lips are so red.
It's orange. It's actually orange. It's not red.
Such a messy eater. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, that's it.
I won.
Peace. Say peace.
I won.
No, you didn't.
I did. Peace.